Meanwhile, the prime accused in the horrific rape and murder case of the young trainee doctor has been taken for a medical test. Sanjay Roy, who is also believed to be a habitual offender, has now been taken for a medical test, and the CBI is now taking the main accused for this very crucial test. This after the case was handed over to the CBI. Remember, Sanjay Roy, he's a civic volunteer, a prime accused in the brutal rape and murder of the trainee woman doctor at the state-run PG Car Hospital. Let me go straight across now to Komalika. Komalika, tell us a little bit more. So we do know that Sanjay Roy is being taken for a medical test. CBI has taken charge of this case. What's next?
See, CBI has already taken the custody of Sanjay Roy, and that is the first thing which they did when they came here in Calcutta today in the morning. Yesterday evening there was an exchange of CDR. That means the case diary, and today in the morning the CBI team came along with forensic team and their medical team. The Sanjay Roy's medical has also been done, and he has been taken to the CGO complex, which is the CBI headquarters out here, and they are going to question that. So that is one part. CBI is also expected to come here. This is the crime scene. This is the building where the brutal rape and murder took place. But on the other hand, this is the building, as we were saying. This is the photo. On the other hand, we see that the doctors and the junior doctors and the nurses, the junior doctors and interns, they are still continuing their protest, as they yesterday itself stated that they are believing in judicial inquiry, and until and unless that takes place, with other things as asking open apology by the principal and other things, they are not in any way not going to stop what they are doing. So you can see that they are not in a point of no return. They are still continuing their protest. On the other hand, would also like to show that this is the emergency building. And
Komalika, we can barely hear you. If you could just step aside from the speakers, then I'll be able to hear you better. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you, Komalika. We could see the visuals of those protesters. Now, can you just tell us who are these people? What are they protesting about? Because we could barely hear you then.
Yeah, so the students, as they told us yesterday, that they wanted a judicial inquiry. Along with that, what they wanted is there should be, the principal should come and apologize here. Security should be assured. So all these demands, they are still there. So they will not, and they want the culprits to get arrested by 14th August. The main culprits, they believe that there is more than one. So they believe the main culprits should get arrested by today evening. Until and unless that is taking place, they are not going to withdraw. And on the other hand, you can see that the hospitals, other medical health services are getting effect. And the latest is today in the night, today in the afternoon, BJP is going to have a big rally by the Mahila Morcha. Also today in the middle of the night, the women have given a call of freedom at midnight, because it was a common call from social media, and now what we are getting, there is a huge social media response. All the women who are with politics, who are not with politics, students, they have all be there on roads protesting against this RG Kar incident. So really this is something which is going to be huge. That's what we are getting it from different sources. Different places of Calcutta, not only Calcutta, also in districts, huge number of women, they are expected to come on roads who does not have a political background. Now here too, the Trinamool Rajya Sabha MP, he stated that he is going to participate in that protest. Now BJP has also questioned his presence, whether he is allegiance from TMC is going or not, and then he has answered. So there is a different politics happening there too. And also in this building, yesterday the PWD has started work, and it was very close to the crime scene. So there are questions by the students that are they trying to tamper the evidence. So this is another thing. This is another thing which has made these students agitated.
All right. Right, Komalika, thank you so much for getting us all those details and updates. Just stay on with me, though we could barely hear you because of the loudspeakers in the backdrop. I'm going to quickly get in a word from Sharon. But, just to give our viewers an update, the prime accused, Sanjay Roy, is now being taken for a medical test. He is allegedly, a habitual offender. He's believed to have a notorious past. In fact, he's also had a history of violence against women in the past. All of that that is now going to be investigated by the CBI. Sharon, I believe that the Federation of the Resident Doctors have called off their protest. What are the scenes like in the hospital? And is it true that the Federation of the All India Medical Association will still continue with their protests and their agitation?
Well, when we talk about medical colleges, there are multiple associations, FORDA, FIMA. It all started with the Resident Doctors Association, then it split into multiple such associations. Now, last night what we have seen is that FORDA, which was on strike for about 2 days altogether, went and met the Health Minister, Union Health Minister JP Nadda. There was an assurance that was given by the Health Minister JP Nadda to these members of FORDA that all steps will be taken when it comes to the safety of the healthcare staff. Now, after that, FORDA has decided to call off their strike. But the other organizations like FIMA and other Resident Doctors Association are continuing with their protest. This time, the demand is Central Protection Act. Of course, yesterday the demand was of the CBI that the entire case should be handed over to the CBI. After Calcutta High Court gave the order that CBI should take over the case, now what we are seeing is that the demand is of the Central Protection Act, because they are saying this is a workplace, this is where they work if they are not feeling safe, because such incidents can happen in the future. To avoid such incidents, there needs to be an implementation of Central Protection Act, and that is why in a large number in Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, you can see resident doctors are in fact here with posters and banners. Let me speak to some of them. कल फोडा हेल्थ मिनिस्टर से मिले, उन्होंने कहा है कि आपकी जितनी भी सेफ्टी की मांगे हैं उस पे वो ध्यान देंगे और उसको वो फुलफिल करेंगे. मामला सीबीआई को भी दे दिया गया है. तो अब आप लोग यहाँ पे किस चीज़ को लेके प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं?
मैम, फर्स्टली बहुत अच्छी बात है कि सीबीआई में ये फास्ट ट्रैक हो गया है केस. दूसरा, हमें आश्वासन की नहीं, एक्शन की ज़रूरत है. बहुत सालों से, बहुत टाइम से ये अत्याचार डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर, डिस्पाइट डॉक्टर्स, एक कॉमन पब्लिक के ऊपर, विमेन के ऊपर ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं. एंड सच अ हेनियस क्राइम हैज़ हैपेंड इन दिस एज एंड दिस एरा, जहाँ पे हम इतना ज़्यादा एडवांस करना चाहते हैं और हमारी इस देश की बेटियाँ सेफ नहीं हैं. वी वॉन्ट एक्शन, नॉट आश्वासन.
You know, all of you have been saying that you want action and not ashwasan, not assurance. For the longest time, Central Protection Act is something that is being demanded by you all, but it has not been given. Though yesterday, last night also, an assurance has come from Health Minister. Are you satisfied with the assurance that is coming in?
No, we are not satisfied, because the thing they are saying, that is like very superficial. They are saying so that we need like real things, that real steps should be taken, so that we get an assurance that we are safe in our own environment. Otherwise, like they are giving assurance, these are like we are not getting so much, like we need to get assured from that. Okay.
So you,
I will like to say that action speaks louder than voice. They are always saying that we'll do, but it's not being done. And this is the right time that they should work on it and not just speak about it. There should be some action.
not assurance but action is what is being demanded by the doctors here. They are saying that verbal assurance is not going to work. Some sort of a written agreement, some sort of a written assurance need to come in from the Health Ministry when it comes to the Central Protection Act. Apart from that, they're also protesting about how there was a delay in handing over the case to CBI and enough tampering of the evidence has taken place when it comes to RG Kar Medical Hospital.
Oh, absolutely. The doctors are very adamant on their demands. In fact, they are far from convinced. They want things to be put down on paper and official statements to be made before they even think of calling off their agitation. Stay on with me, Komalika and Sharon. I'll keep coming back to you, but a couple of reactions have also come in. Let's just play them out.
जी, हम लोग अभी रात को डॉक्टर श्री जेपी नड्डा जी से उनके घर पे आके हम लोग मिले हैं. हम लोग कल भी मंत्री जी से मिले थे. हम लोगों ने मंत्री जी से जो कल अपनी डिमांड्स रखी थी, जैसा हमने अपनी प्रेस रिलीज़ में दी थी, उन्हीं को हमने आज रीफॉर्मुलेट करके वैसी की वैसी ही डिमांड्स हमने मंत्री जी को दी हैं. एज अ संस्था जो हमारी फोडा है, हम लोग की सारी डिमांड्स मानने की वजह से हम ये स्ट्राइक को अब विराम देंगे. हम इसे कॉल ऑफ करेंगे. हमें अभी ये पता है कि मंत्रालय की तरफ से भी इसका एक फॉलोअप, एक ट्वीट आएगा, एक फॉलोअप, एक कम्युनिकेशन आएगा.
Sir, today you met the Union Health Minister. What was the assurance given? What were the demands with which you met the Health Minister?